Straight.
Yeah. Well, we've got the album now.
Yeah. So right now, just the album.
Yeah. Congratulations. I know the number one in the Billboard. Do you know what surprised me about Billboard? How many like non-Jamaican reggae artists are in there? That kind of surprised me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's really. I was proud to see you there repping, man. Yeah. Apart from Bob Marley, there didn't seem many other people from the island. It didn't make no sense.
That's how you go. You don't know
how it goes, man. Yeah, man.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
When you don't know Media Fox now, yo, wagwan. You don't know Alkaline have an album loading soon. You don't know winter. It a drop. You see it when I get a specific date it and thing. But you don't know, me know, so the Vendetta fan them happy, you know. A long time, them a wait for Alkaline to drop a album, you know. Yeah, tell you, you know. Zine, remember, you know, the one year new level unlock. Open up the gates. Yeah, man, drop on the Billboard. #1. You understand? Enough of them dancehall artists and never reach to that level here. You understand? But Alkaline did it. It was a great album, may I tell you. A lot of hit songs on it. You see it? Yeah, man. You have track like Conquer the World, you have City, Wait Your Turn, you have Champion Boy, Told You I Was Right, you have Like Me, you have One More Time, Side Chick, yeah, man. Direction, Tam, Somebody Great, One Life, Try Again, yeah, man. Couple hit song out of it, well. Great masterpiece. You understand and you don't know. If you look on this, yeah, man. See it here? #1 plaque. You understand? New level unlock. You know what I mean? It rhyme? Yeah, man. You know a thing set. But you know me rate with the Vendetta fans, them really support them artists, you know. You see when it comes to the artist album, them go all out for the album. You understand? Them either make it drop #2 or 1. This is what I try to say about the first one. Yeah, man. The second one now, Zane, that kind of dropping at the COVID time. You understand? Yeah, man. I'm going to show you the second one. You see it? Yeah, man. You don't know. That one in Top Price. You see it? Yeah, man. I think about around 2021 it drop or so. See, you don't know. First track you have Top Price. You have Ocean Wave. Big Song. Deso. Maniac. Magic. Hostage. You don't know that. That mash up it made the new year. You see it? Yeah, man. The girl them out. Love the song. All this twerk. More life. You see me? No trust mankind. Art or eat at the moment. You see me? Cree, you don't know. Big hit song that. You see it? Medicine. Yeah, man. Tough song. Hit song that too. Play role. Tough song. Yeah, man. It's a great masterpiece, man. So, Alkaline, new level unlock means say, yo, the man change the game there, so. You understand? Open the doors to enough of them young youth. After Alkaline bus, you know, a be a young artist start bus, you know. You understand? New level unlock. The man build something, him own control him own a thing. And then the man forward with this now, Top Price. So it means say, yo, him do him for do already. And him earn him way up there. You understand? That is it. How much hit song turn himself a column in a dancehall. You see it? Yeah, man. And him did get, I think the one they got #2 on the Billboard. You understand? It's a great look. Remember, you know, people. Enough of them dancehall artists, I wish them get #1 and #2 on the Billboard album reggae chart, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. So, you know, so look here, Vendetta people, them, I not lie, them really support the artists musically. You see me, cause a lot of artists out there where, you know, them people just run with the hype and thing, but Alkaline fans, them, yeah, man, them buy them artist thing. You see it? May I tell you people, it's a great look. You see it? So, you don't know a new one a forward. You see it? New one a forward and things. So, where I say, yo, we wanna think, people. We wanna think the new album of Alkaline are gonna drop in a winter. You see me, cause you don't know the manager post it up and thing. You see it? Yeah, make the people them know what go on. You see it? Yeah, man, she say winter. So what do you think? Where you think the album I go? Number 1 or 2? One thing it a go reach, cause me know, you know. You see that one, yeah? The vendetta people them not play, you know. Them a go hard with that one, you know. It's what me a try say. Them a go hard with that one, yeah. You see it? And it's a good look. Yo, when the man them drop the post, you know, man. And I nothing normal, you know. You see it? I know nothing normal, people. So, this is how me rate. You see, as an artist, and when you have a fans who can support you musically, it's a great look. Me see a lot of people a drop album. And it kind of look away. If you know, say people, the artists, them big artists or young artists or whatsoever, drop album. Zine. And I don't hear them talk about it. When you check it, the album them, you wonder where the numbers them for the album them there. You understand? No numbers, nothing. You wonder what going like the man must have put out some. I don't know if them a waste time I put up album and it's like nothing not dead. Nobody not talk about it. I mean I tell you say yo Alkaline manager, you don't know him sister, go post and say yo winter album. The whole internet start mash up. Every Instagram page I post it. You see me? Vlogging I go on about it and thing. You see me? So imagine when that drop. Remember, you know, nothing release yet, you know. Imagine when that drop, and nothing normal. You understand? Because remember, you know, when Alkaline do new level, unlock, you know. See? When Alkaline do new level, unlock, you know, people. Yeah, man, when Alkaline do new level, unlock, you see it? I know one normal thing. May I tell you? I know one normal thing, people. You see it? So, when me see that thing there, me I say, yo, see? When me I see that thing there, me say, yo, you can't do that. Because when Alkaline had drop him thing them, see? When he drop him thing them, you know, you have to wonder what really are going on. You see, because him fans them well out and thing, and I say, yo, Chano, you know, say, that youth and him fan base, I want loyal fan base the youth have, you know. I tell you, you know, people, loyal fan base the youth have. You see me? So when you see man do him thing, I know nothing normal. I know nothing normal, people. So, I see a little thing in the media and you know, a lot of people are going to talk, people are going to say it's flop and everything. That's when them do that about the first one and the second one, and look where them go. And this how them go. You see it? Number 1 album. You see it? Number 2 album. It's a great look. You see me as a brother way, you know, in the game as an artist, feel like about 13 years now, or 12, and I do so big. Remember, you know, it's a great look, say yo. Cause remember, you know, what, 4 years now, a album not drop. Cause remember, say Alkaline do one 2016, then him do one in 2021. You see me now? Him a do one now in 2025. I know nothing normal that. You see it? Cause remember, you know, artists always put out album and all of them look someday. You see, cause nowadays me I wonder, man, the natural go turn up, man. You see it? That I go on, people. Remember, you know, and winter that one you go drop, say, you know, this frozen. Yeah, man, this frozen. That go cool up the place. You understand? Cause me tell you this. I feel like Alkaline I go hard on the album, you know. I go hard on the album, yeah. You understand? Yeah, man, and me know even it a fans, you know. Them are gonna make sure say, yo, this the numbers, you know. Cause them know say, yo, them don't want them attack something about them artists. You see it? So, we are gonna see what are going for the album. But as me say, Alkaline the number 1. Zane, Billboard album, then him get number 2 on the Billboard. Wanna think the third album I go? You understand? Wanna think either him I get one or him get number 2 on the Billboard chart album reggae. Seeing? Wanna think people. Because yo, the winter you not go normal, you know. You understand it? Nah go normal. Is it so? We have to really see what go on still and see how that go. But the Vendetta fan them I go support, you know, cause right now to me people, Alkaline have the most loyal fan base right now, you know. I tell you that, you know. Yeah man, most loyal fan base in the dancehall right now. Because when it come, if you realize Alkaline are too in the media like that. Seeing? But him name always a call. You understand? Him not do no video and this and that a show this and rare. Seeing? But him name always a call. And tell me what. It's when Alkaline drop a music, especially when him drop a music without video, the people them talk about it. Look when him drop Keyman, mash up a place. Right now, enough people must say, I wonder if Keyman are going to be the number 1 track on the album. But we don't know yet. Because I know Alkaline thing deal with, you know. The man there, you see me? The man there thing spooky, like, it's like unexpected. You see me? You don't know where my forward with. But you see when him reach, I know nothing normal. I tell you that, I know nothing normal when him reach, man. You see it, so. Everybody I look out for the album in December. You see it? Some people I say, next year, January, next year, February, next year, March. You know, say next year, March, the winter season up. You understand? Yeah, man, so I think them say from December 21st it start to next year, March. Something like that, maybe the 21st or sorry, 22nd. Around them time. Then. You understand? So, we're going to see what go on. Because you don't know. You can't really predict anything with Alkaline are doing. You can't predict it, you know. Yeah, man. And that's how we rate about the artist. The artist just pop up out of the blue. You don't know what go on. You don't know the next move. Him not really follow the crowd. You understand? Him not really listen for what go on or what hot right now. Him always, I think, outside of the box. And at that, always keep him thing consistent in a dancehall. You understand? Because him not really mingle that much. You see it? Him not really listen. You see me? Him not really listen to the noise in the market. Him pre the sale. You understand? Because enough of them are run with the hype. Yeah man, enough of them are run with the hype. But Alkaline are run with the fortune. So when the album a drop, Alkaline expect say yo, Vendetta fans them, you just prove them wrong. Show them say yo, uno do it, uno the fans. That's why when the man do him interview him say yo, him always say yo, pick up him fans them. Pick up him fans them. Cause you see what go on in a dancehall. You understand? Him have him fans them out there. You understand? 2 big fan base in a dancehall and one a film. Film fan base in that 2 there. You understand? So I one of them thing the people. And we have to respect what artists are do. When we rate with the artists are focused on music. Him not do no drama. You understand? As an artist, music you're supposed to put out there for your fans them. Not selling drama and private life and all of these things. No. We don't need to know that. Music we are dealing with. That way can carry dancehall to the next level. Not drama. You understand? So we know the Vendetta people them a gear up. Everybody a put them little money aside and all of these things. You see it? Yeah. When the album drop, yeah man, everybody are ready up for buy album and every little thing. But people, wanna think the album I go really name. Wanna think it I go name. Cause we just a run with like a winter. We just say winter album, you see me? Cause you don't know Kerry, Alkaline sister manager, I understand. She say a winter album. So we are run with that. But wanna think say it I go name. You understand? One thing say it I got name. And anyone of the song them with Alkaline drop recently, which one of them on the thing say you are gonna be the number 1 track. You understand? And for the album, what kind of theme on the think it I gonna have? Cause the last album Top Price, it kinda have it tough. You understand? You don't know the girl party night, mixing you look a gangster. Because you see me? Plus, you know the achievement. And you know, say, yo, the first one, just a jump out, city, champion boy, every little thing, you see me? Yeah, man, but when you think the team, what the vibes gonna feel like a forward in a new album, yeah? That more and more people. What do you think? You see it, car Alkaline just drop album, so you know. It's when the man a drop album, after drop a masterpiece. You understand? Him not just drop album for just dash out this and waste. You understand? You have man out there will drop all 40 track album, it's still not gonna away. When you drop album, it's supposed to, yo, it a forward with a message. And it a forward a message in a way where you don't know from the first one to the second. It's supposed to have a meaning, like a upgrade for the last one we dropped before. You understand? You're not supposed to just drop and just it nah a message, it nah nothing in it. Yeah, man. So album thing work. Good production. You see it. And then some little skippy sing about something when I make no sense. You understand? Yeah, man. You need some. See some album I drop from with you and you wonder, yo, what is? We don't need some nice project, man. You see me? But we're going to see what Alkaline can do with. Because we know say when it comes to album, film thing different. You understand? So, the vendetta people them, we no gear up, you know, because it's going to be a frozen winter. You understand? Couple degrees well. You see it? And the vendetta boss, yeah, man. I ready up the album for man, because a long time I not call for it, you know. Yeah, man. But people, they don't know, you know. Bless up everybody, you know, for the love and respect and support, you see me? And the like and the share them. Yeah, man, they don't know one media facts. That is it.